chicken, mushrooms, tomatoes, cream, garlic, smoked paprika. That is banging. Let's get on with it. Okay, so I'm going to go straight in on this one, get it going. So I've got a pan here with some olive oil in, and I've got 2 chicken legs, skin on, bone in. In they go. We're going to add some black pepper, and I'm going to add some salt. We're on a medium heat, and then we're going to go for about 4 minutes aside, something like that. Just be flipping it over. Nice medium heat. Don't get it too hot, the pan. And that's it. We're well on our way. Okay, nice and gentle. Off goes the heat. What we're going to do is we're going to set these aside. Now, don't worry if you think it's not cooked all the way through yet. Don't worry about that. There's still some cooking process to happen. Set these aside and keep this oil. I actually might reduce it down by 50%. Okay, so the chicken's been set aside. I reduced that oil down by 50%. We've got some lovely flavors in there. Right, let's get in an onion. 1 onion, cut nice and small. Here I've got a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Medium heat, about 3 minutes. I'll see you then. So easy. Beautiful. Getting some lovely colour on that garlic. Next up, we're going to add mushrooms. Now I've got here 250 grams of mushrooms, white mushrooms, and I've not really cut them. I've just sort of been breaking them, you know. I've sort of just got them and sort of broke them up in my hand like that. It's beautiful. I've got a tablespoon here of dried oregano. Now if you wanted, you could be using something else, some thyme, rosemary, sage. Now what we're going to go in with now is a nice heaped teaspoon and a bit of smoked paprika. Now I'm not endorsing this product, but that is absolutely wonderful. If you can get that, it's really, really cool. Right, we're staying on this medium heat. Now regarding the paprika, be careful with paprika. It usually comes in 3 types. Sweet, smoked, which we're using, which is really, really good, and then hot. Hot paprika is pretty much just like chili, so be careful. Right, about 3 more minutes. We're probably going to get a little bit of moisture out of these mushrooms as they cook. And there you go, some moisture come from my mushrooms. You might, it depends on the mushrooms you use. Sometimes you'll get a load of moisture, sometimes you'll get very, very little. Okay, 1 can of tomatoes. This was a whole plum tomato, which I just, with my hand, crushed it really roughly. Going to turn the heat down now to below medium, just below medium, and we're going to let that go for about 5 or 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. And that is looking absolutely wonderful. Okay, let's grab our chicken. Let's get that back in there. Lid's going to go on. We're now going to go on to a simmer, very low. Let that go for another 5 or 6 minutes. If you want, you can turn the chicken over once or twice. Okay, let's jump in. I turned that a couple of times. Right, next up we're going to add some cream. Now here I've got 250 ml of a thick cooking cream. Now, as always, when I use this cream, there's no need for you to email me, message me. You can use single cream or double cream. So you can use thick cream or thin cream. It makes no difference at all. The consistency of the cream is not going to make any difference. Don't use sour cream, although that might actually be quite nice in this. But yeah, I know that in America you call it heavy and half and stuff like that, which we don't say in the UK. In the UK, we say single, which means a kind of very thin, runny cream. And then we say double, which is thick. But yeah, it won't make any difference at all. No, look, that's absolutely fabulous. Okay, so we're on a simmer still. Lid's going to go back on. I'm going to go for another 5 or 6 minutes now. We're done. Okay, off goes the heat there. Off comes the lid. Let me get some steam out. And that is done, and it's absolutely beautiful. Check it for seasoning. You might want to add a bit more salt and pepper. I'm super happy. Let me get that on a plate. And there you go. I'm super, super happy with that. It's really delicious. I just finished that off with a little bit of flat leaf parsley. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you very, very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so, so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.